Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to make game pass on Roblox. So first of all, you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page. Now tap on this key tab over here, and now just tap on this menu button over here. Tap on it and just tap on this creation option. Now just tap on this experience and tap on this menu button over here, and just tap on this passes option, this option. Now tap on this create a pass button, enter the name, description, and just tap on this create a pass button. Once you made your own game pass, just open the game pass that you have created. Now open the menu, tap on sale, and I enable the item for sale and enter the price here like this, and just tap on this save pass button. After this guys, once you save the game pass, now open the please donate game. So open the Roblox app and just search for please donate and play this game. Now once you open the game guys, now look for any empty stand over here. Like this is a empty stand, just hold the stand button over here and your game pass will be listed here. Fine, so this is how you can add your game pass here. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.